So I'm back, filmed some more footage. I have to finish this again before I go to college. That's in 3 weeks. Well, anyways, what I didn't film last night was me sanding all of this. I got all of this sanded. This feels really smooth. I'm gonna probably end up recoating this right here. That right there, and then right here. Get some more primer. I want to get it ready to primer by Friday. This whole section right here, what I just showed you guys, and the top, and maybe this side as well. I want to get it primered by Friday. I'll try to sand this down and get ready to primer, and then start on that side hopefully by today. And tomorrow I'll get everything ready to primer, get it sanded down smooth, and hopefully primer it by Friday. That way I can start on the doors if they take them off, or the front fenders, or the hood, depending on what's going on. Yeah. And today I actually brought my tripod. Yesterday I was holding it with a chair, a gallon of primer, and my battery pack to charge my phone. So that's what I was holding my phone with, because I forgot my tripod. But anyways, let's get rolling. So far, so good. I don't think I'm gonna put any body filler there. That feels pretty good. I just filled up right there all those chips I had. It's already dry, but it's still a little sticky. So I'm gonna start on the other side. Start on this right here. Alright guys, I'm sorry my phone died, so I had to go put it to charge. But anyways, it's ready to be bondoed up. This one's not as bad, but the only thing is I'm waiting for them to take the bumper off so I can fix this crack right here. See right there? So I'll probably just leave that alone. Well, probably fill in the rest of it right here. It's cracked up as well, so I'm gonna dig deeper in there, see if I can fix that too. Alright, so there it is. A little skin coat, you know. Just start drying on me right here when I was putting this one on. But other than that, it's ready to go. I'm excited for this. This side's already dry. let that dry for a little bit, and then probably sand it and head home. That'll be it for today. Alright guys, that's it for tonight. I'm gonna let this dry, what I applied earlier. I'm gonna let that dry. I'm not gonna start sanding it till tomorrow afternoon, like around 4:30. But this other side, the first side that I added a body filler to, this side is looking a lot better. It's real smooth. Actually, from here, all this right here is ready to primer. I still need to work on this little lip right here, and this probably play with a little bit more. But other than that, this is basically almost ready to primer. That's about it for today. Hopefully they can get the bumpers off sometime by this. It'd be nice by this weekend. This door is gonna be real easy because the paint is basically falling off already. But I'm excited to do this. Haven't done it in a while. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.